I'm Lynn from England. The people here are so friendly and the scenery up here is beautiful.
Dave from New York. Beautiful. Wonderful.
Joanne from California. I am surprised at the beauty everywhere. It's absolutely lovely, and the people are very friendly.
Have you had information before you arrived to Dushanbe? What have you expected and what you got it for the real time?
We had some information, but certainly no explanation at how beautiful this country was.
Much, much nicer than we could imagine.
Did not know enough before we came here.
Is that when you will be back home, how can you explain what is Tajikistan in reality?
Well, we have photos we can show people and how beautiful it is and encourage them to come and visit here.
And it's the most amazing place that you don't know about. So go see.
The beautiful parks, the beautiful ornamental buildings, absolutely exquisite.